Luffa gourds, also spelled Luffa, are sometimes called dishcloth gourds or vegetable sponges. The name comes from luff, the Arabic word for this plant. Luffa gourds are grown primarily for their fibrous tissue skeleton, which is commonly used as a bath or sauna sponge, but young fruits, less than 7 inches long, can be cooked and eaten as squash or substituted for cucumber in salads. Growing Luffa plants requires a certain amount of patience. It grows for a longer time than most gourds. Luffa is a hot weather plant and growth slows in cool weather. The flowers appear over an extended period of time, blooming sequentially as the vine progresses. The vines can grow 30 feet 10 meters, or more over the course of a growing season. Once the fruits form, it may take a long time to fully develop fiber and dry for harvest. Luffa requires about 150 to 200 or more warm frost-free days, depending on the location and variety grown. It needs lots of sun, warmth, water, good root nutrients, and a large strong trellis. The Luffa vines must have a strong trellis to climb. The vines prefer to grow much taller and will do better on a 6 to 10 feet, 2 to 3 meters, high trellis. The vine length can exceed 30 feet 10 meters. The Luffa sponges can get heavy, so the more places the vine tendrils can hold on to, the better. They can also climb on walls with a rough surface. Training the vines to go where you want can be accomplished by gently wrapping the tendrils around supports in the desired direction. The vines are moderately flexible until they get large. Vigorous Luffa vines will require plenty of water and organic fertilizer, so water deeply once or twice per week. Check Luffa plants frequently and remove any dried gourds. These will be brown, feel light and dry, and rattle with loose seeds when shaken. Mature gourds will begin to turn brown and dry. Harvest the fruits immediately if frost arrives, as the fruits may rot if left on the vine. You have to know that fruit that aren't fully mature don't have enough tough fiber to make a good sponge. If you don't have a big vegetable garden, there is no problem. You can plant Luffa plants in a big pot on a balcony or backyard as long as you provide the vines with something to grow on. Whether you choose to eat young Luffas, or hold fruit on the vine to mature for making your own Luffa sponge, you will enjoy experimenting with this unique vegetable. Allow the Luffa sponges to dry completely in the sun and make certain that sponges are completely dry before storing, or mold may grow on any remaining sap. Dried Luffas can be stored for years as long as they stay dry and dust-free. These natural sponges are extremely durable and will last for years. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Happy gardening!